How to see hidden achievements on Steam games. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily see the hidden achievements in your Steam game. Let's just get started. First thing you have to do here is go over to your library section at the top left corner on your Steam. Just tap on it. Now once you land on your library page, you need to go over to the game where you want to find your achievements. So just tap on any one of the games here. And once you are inside your game, you can find the achievements tab at the right hand side of your screen. It may vary depending on the version of Steam you have. Basically, you just tap on achievements, and right below that, you have View My Achievements button. You can just tap on it, and it's going to show you all of the hidden achievements for the particular game. And you need to know that this completely varies on the popularity of the game and the community around it as well. So make sure that you check the latest documentation of Steam for latest updates, and you should be able to find your hidden achievements here. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.